Hi everyone, I'm Judy. I'm gonna show you how to make miso soup today in Taiwanese style. What is it in Taiwanese style? We all know that miso soup, you can have it in a Japanese restaurant. In Taiwanese style means it's gonna be a little bit different, but the soup base still the same, miso. Okay, let's start it. The ingredient we have today is tofu, sweet cooking rice seasoning, Hondashi. This is like a fish powder, and miso. The white miso is what I choose, and 2 pieces of salmon. Okay, let's start it. Okay, I'm gonna put the salmon in the water. You don't need to wait until the water become boiled. You can just put it in right now, and I chop in a couple pieces, so for easy for people to eat. And you just put it into the water like that. And then so once it boils, you can start putting the tofu, so it can all cook together. Okay, now the water boils. Now I'm gonna put the tofu. You can see I cut the tofu in small pieces in advance. So just when you stir it, just be very gentle. Okay. So when it boils again, I'll turn to very low heat, and then we're gonna put the miso in the soup. Okay, now I have the miso here, and I'm gonna dissolve the miso in the soup. And miso is not meant to cook in a high heat. That's why when it boils, I turn it to the very low heat, and then gradually dissolve it in the water like this. Because if you just bring the whole chunk in the water, it's not easy to. It will take much longer, and then you also have to try to make sure that everything is dissolved in the water. So I think this way is much better and easier to make sure that all the paste is into the soup. And miso is fermented soybean paste, so it's very salty, but it has a lot of good ingredients for the health. And at the beginning I said this one is Taiwanese style, because if it's Japanese style, usually it's just tofu and very little ingredient, maybe just some seaweed in the soup. But Taiwanese style, we put more ingredient in it. So even some place they put eggs inside the soup. So see, it's almost done. You can see the color is very pretty. Okay, lastly, I have Hondashi here. I just put a little bit to bring the flavor. And we put a sweet cooking rice seasoning in the soup to bring some sweetness. Just a little bit. Okay. So our soup is ready to serve. Look how beautiful it is. Okay, so now our soup is ready, and you can see the salmon doesn't overcooked, and this is our tofu still like a whole piece right here, and it tastes really good. And especially winter is coming, and I think this soup is really good for family, even for yourself if you're single by yourself. And then you just adjust the portion. It is really good. You can replace as one meal because it has a lot of protein and good health ingredient in it. And not all the ingredient here you can easily find in the regular market. You probably have to shop online or go to Asian market. But it's very easy, quick, and I hope you enjoy it. I'll see you next time. Bye bye.